Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Ocean and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to open the settings on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the middle button. After you open the settings, find the general option and tap on it to enter. And here find the option called the display. Once you find it, tap on it, and right here we have the brightness option. Select it, and now you should see the list of brightness levels, and we have low, medium and high. Select the one you like by tapping on it, and the brightness will be applied. And then you can press the lower button. Oh, never mind, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.